I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the new Golden Cricket LT. This is their lightweight folding power chair. It's an X-frame power chair as well, brand new on the market. So when you order this, it's going to ship through either UPS or FedEx or one of those companies in a box like this. We're going to go ahead and grab our knife. We're going to cut the straps. Then we're going to open the lid of the box. Just a heads up on the lid of the box, there is staples holding it together, so just be wary that they are a little sharp. Try to not put your hands right here when you're opening this, but when we unbox it, you'll see it's nice and padded up top here. We're going to remove this layer of foam, and you can see the chair is mostly assembled already in the box. We're just going to go ahead and lift it up. Before we do that, I'm going to make sure there's nothing we need to remove. So up front here we have this box. This looks like our joystick. Yes, so I open this up, we have our joystick, and then our owner's manual, and then our cup holder is also in this box right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put this joystick back in the box. I don't see a quick disconnect on the joystick to get it out of the way. So when we lift this out of the box, this cable is attached. So I'm putting it back in the box just to protect it. And it'll be just like that. So now there's two ways to get this out of here. One way, because this chair is lightweight, I believe it's 33 pounds or around that weight. You could just kind of lift it out like that, but not everyone can do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt it on its side. We're going to set this box out of the way so we don't hit anything, and then we can, first of all, make sure you're not on concrete or anything like that, because I don't want you to drag this on the ground, but you can slide it out of the box and kind of lift it up. So kind of like this. And then I set it up vertically. So that way you don't have to lift it up over your head and out of the box. I'm going to go ahead and slide this out of the way. And then here in the box in the bottom is, it looks like our batteries. So right here is our battery, and then our battery chargers on the other side. I don't see anything else in the box. So then here we have, these are our cushions, and then you get a little battery transport bag as well. So if you want to carry the battery separately, that's a nice thing to have. I don't see anything else loose in here beyond, our joystick. See how it is attached, but it kind of dangles, so the box kind of protected it. And then down here, they also give you kind of an upgrade. So that's your main seating cushion, but they do give you a free memory foam cushion that is really comfortable, actually. I'm excited to try this out once we get the chair assembled. But they give you that nice cushion that you can set on top of the seat. So now I'm going to take a moment, I'm going to clear away some of this packing material, and we're going to get to unfolding the chair. Now I have all the packing material out of the way, well, almost all the packing material. I did want to show you on the arms, there's a button here, and you can lift up the arms. That's the easiest way to get the arm packing material off, because it's kind of shoved in here. Then you can push it back down and click it down. So now I have all the packing material out of the way. We have our chair here. This is your memory foam cushion. Your joystick, your cup holder, and your owner's manual are in that box. We have our standard cushion, and then we have our charger, our battery, and our battery bag. So first thing I'm going to cover is how to unfold this. Actually, no, I'm going to take care of this box first. I'm going to unbox this again now that the chair is safely out of our main box. And here is our joystick. So our joystick, what I want to cover first is I see that it's wired all the way down to the brain. Mine from the factory, it looks like that wire is on the inside here. I don't really want it there. I'm going to try to run it back down and out like this, because I want this wire on the outside of the chair. That's where the clips are. There's a little clip on this side for the wire, and it's going to slide into it here up front, and then there is a little knob down here you're just going to go ahead and tighten. You can put it on the right or left hand side, and then there's a clip right back here that's going to clip your cable. So I ran it on the outside because I don't want that wire getting pinched when we're folding and unfolding the chair. Just for whatever reason, mine was on the inside. Make sure it's on the outside like this. Now we're going to unfold the chair. I'm going to go ahead and just push this down, and then that's it. Very easy. The X-frame power chairs fold and unfold very easily. To fold it, you grab these handles, lift up, and they fold in. We'll just push that down, and then our backrests both come up and they click in place. To unclick them, down here you have this little tab. You just squeeze that in and it will go down. So very easy to control. And then this is our standard cushion. They call this a waterfall type cushion because the front has a Velcro. It's going to curl underneath. So that part goes up front like this, and then it falls over the front, and then there's Velcro on the underside. So this is your standard cushion. This cushion should, I haven't tried it, but it should fold up with the chair like that. So you can leave that cushion on your chair when you fold it. The memory foam cushion will not fold with the chair, so you'll have to take that one off if you're going to fold the chair up. So you can leave the standard one on, or if you want something a little bit more comfortable for long term, you can remove this and then set this on instead. And then this would come off entirely. So you can do that. You just have to take this cushion off when you go to fold the unit. So I'm going to set this one to the side for now. I'll keep the standard on. Now we're going to go ahead and install our battery. So our battery is in this box here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Then this is an airline approved battery as well. On the front here, you can charge the battery from right here. So you can leave the Powerchair folded up in your vehicle, then bring the battery inside and charge it overnight. So if you're staying at a hotel or something, you don't want to unload the chair, you can do that. There's also a little button right here that you can push and see the charge level. So I'm about 75% charged. I don't know how well you can see it from there, but that's nice to see the charge level on the battery. And then this is your quick release button whenever it's installed. Now to install the battery, you're going to want the text on the stickers to be facing the correct direction. You have these two little prongs. They're going to go right in here. And we're going to install it on the right-hand side of our Powerchair. So it goes like that, and then you just guide it on that track until it clicks and it stays locked in place. And that is how you connect it. The left-hand side has a battery holder, but it doesn't have a power port. So if you install this on the left-hand side, it'll hold the battery, but it won't actually power your chair. That is, if you want to carry a second battery, you can have it attached to your chair, but it's not going to power it. The power is going to be on the right-hand side. If you want to remove the battery, you're going to push this button in and then grab it and kind of pull it forward. But I do like that track system. It's very easy to use. While we're down here, I'll go ahead and cover the legs. The legs can fold down like that. Then your foot peg comes down. So this is your footrest. What you can do if you want to transfer it in and out of the chair, you can just flip these up, get in and out that way. It will fold like this, but if you need to decrease the length, you can fold these back in. So that's a nice feature to have as well. Now I'll show you how to install the cup holder. It goes in the same way as your joystick. You're just going to loosen this knob down here. It slides into the front of the arm. Then you'll just tighten it wherever you want it. The joystick goes in the exact same way. There we go. Now we have our owner's manual. And then there's a strap in here in the owner's manual. This is your calf strap. So what this is going to do is, it's optional. A lot of people don't use these, but if you want one, it can go around these front pegs right here, then it Velcros on the other side, so a little calf support. But a lot of times when you're sitting in the chair, your calves aren't actually touching that, but some people want that. We have our owner's manual here. I noticed there is a storage pouch in the back here, so I'm going to go ahead and stick the owner's manual back here. I do like that they include that, so I'll stick that back there. And then our battery charger is in this last box. It functions the same way as other battery chargers in chairs. One end goes into your wall outlet. The other end will go into the power port on either your battery, like I showed you earlier, or if the battery is installed on your chair, you can plug it underneath the joystick. It'll be right here. So this one end goes in here. The other end goes into the wall. Make sure, because these are lithium batteries, you're not mixing and matching chargers. Make sure you're using the charger that came with the chair because it is designed for this chair specifically. Now that we have everything set up, we're going to check and see if we have power. I didn't have power earlier for whatever reason, so I took the battery off, put it back on, then it started working. But now I'm going to show you, we're going to turn the power on our joystick, see if we have power. I do have power, and I'm getting this beeping sound. I'm going to turn it off because that's annoying. What that beeping sound is, we are in neutral. So if you notice, I can freewheel the chair. That is great if you ever have to push the chair, but it will not allow you to drive in freewheel. So if you get that beeping sounds, that means you're in neutral. To take the chair out of neutral, you'll go to these two red levers in the back. Make sure you flip them both up into the drive position. That will engage your electromagnetic brakes. You should not be able to push the chair. And then that will allow the power to turn on, and then you can drive the chair from here. So it has an initial startup beep, but it's not beeping at me as an error anymore, and then I can drive the chair. So if you see that error, check those neutral levers, make sure they're both in the up position. So once again, this has been the unboxing and assembly of the new Golden Cricket LT power chair. This is their X-frame folding power chair. It seems like a really nice design. I like it so far. Go ahead and check out our full review and demonstration video. I'm gonna have that linked in the description below. See our full opinions on it, where we test it and everything. If you're interested in this product, check the link in the description below. I will have a link to this on our website with current pricing. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It helps out our channel a lot. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.